So, you see, there is a weird living event in history. There is a Noah's flood, and there's a lot of evidence for that all over the world, as a matter of fact. There's an underwater city off the coast of Japan. It's a mystery too. It still has these mystery spheres that they were making in a religious kind of ceremony made out of stone. And they're all very deep. And there's something in the Bohemian coastline as well. And there's something about the Paradise Lost somewhere in the Greater Antilles. But it all goes back to a diluvian event of major proportion, including the Black Sea Salinity. So there is such a thing as a diluvian event, and it can be tracked and examined. And much more than biblical literature would allow us, because there's a lot of evidence all over the world for that event.